Yeah guys, just a couple of minutes ago I've replaced the Kia Sportage 2023 original battery after 3 years with this Relistart battery, and everything went very well, absolutely no problem, no obstacles, and with a great result. But let's start from the beginning. The reason why I replaced the battery was that the original battery after 3 years didn't show really good results. With my battery test, the normal capacity was okay, but especially the launch test showed really very low voltage, actually below what's recommended. And so I was a little bit worried that I could get stranded during the upcoming summer here in the hot area. And so I got this Relistart AGM battery, PCI Group 48 car battery with 70 ampere hours H6 for free from the seller to show you how easy it is to replace and how good it works. And it absolutely does. It was really super easy to replace the old battery. There were just 3 screws, actually, the one holding the minus, another one holding the plus, and another one for the clamp which is holding the battery down. After releasing them, the battery was easy to grab and taking the new one. And so after adding the battery back, just pushing it back, connecting to the plus and the minus and secure it back with the clamp, it was ready. I could hear that everything was starting up, connecting, and so I could just sit inside of my car and it started right away, right out of the box, no pre-charge needed. That's absolutely amazing. And so I just let it run for a minute and tested it, and the results were really absolutely amazing. Huge difference to before, and actually despite this battery has a little bit a lower CCA rating of 720 compared to the original one of 760, it showed on the connected battery without running the car, and super impressive CCA rating of 916, way above of the original battery. And with the official lower CCA rating, maybe it can last even lower than the original battery. And so of course also no surprise that also the launch test was super successful, even with pretty much no additional charge right out of the box, with a launch voltage only dropping to 11.16 volts, while the reference is around 10.2, so way higher. And of course over time it will charge additionally and even show higher results. But I just wanted to show you that here right after adding the battery right out of the box. And we can see that also the battery management system of the car doesn't have any problems with this battery. It has already accepted it as a new battery, and so it's only charging with 14.03 volts. Also very important that it's not overcharging, not thinking that it's still the old battery here inside. So everything absolutely amazing. And so I absolutely love it to have so much deep cycle power here with enhanced durability for the high demand, for example, of the start-stop mechanism, and the advanced safety features with 18 times more vibration resistance and a leak-resistant vent cap design with no free acid inside can definitely help to ensure safe and stable operation on the long run. Also sizing was absolutely perfect, and so also the insulation sleeve was fitting perfectly back into this battery. Yeah, absolutely amazing. For me, the absolute perfect replacement for the PCI Group 48H6 here in this Kia Sportage 2023. Yeah, I'm super happy with it. Not only the quality of the battery, but also how easy it was to replace straightforward with no problems, and even showing way higher CCA rating than my original battery had even listed. And also considering what we really get for the price here, at least at the moment, it's only listed for around $144, way cheaper than everything I've seen here locally. or of course at the dealership where I would pay much more. And so if you're interested in this battery, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out, and or the one for you if you like. If you're not sure if it's time to replace it, also a good idea to buy this FNIRSI battery tester. Can deliver already some really helpful indication if it's time to replace a battery. And from what I've seen here, it was a good decision to not wait till the very end, but replace the battery as long as the car was normally working, to avoid getting stranded in the middle of the summer on a super hot supermarket parking lot. And so you can find both links for the battery and for the battery tester down in the description of the video. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this battery, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.